The first time you log into FairEntry, you'll need to begin registration. You're going to register an individual first. Choose any member of your family. You'll need to enter the first name, last name, and birthday. Their school grade is optional. When you're entering the birth date, it's best to use 2 digits for the month, then a slash, 2 digits for the day, another slash, and 4 digits for the year. I mentioned grade level is optional, but I'll enter it here. Then click Continue. From this screen, we are required to enter a home phone number. Email address and cell phone number are optional, as well as the cell phone carrier. That will allow you to receive text messages. Enter your home phone number with dashes between or as 10 digits with no punctuation. Then click Enter or Continue when you're ready. You'll now enter the exhibitor's address. Type carefully. Enter their address, city, state, and zip code. Continue when you're ready. Your computer may ask you if you want to save the address. I chose Cancel. There's 4 questions about your participating member. What type of member they are, have you read the fair book, what size t-shirts you'd like to order, if any. We'll order a youth large. Notice at the bottom of the list it says you're not ordering a t-shirt this year. You can choose that if you choose not to get a t-shirt. Check out the statement about the 4-H auction. And the last question, have you signed up for a snack bar shift yet? Click Continue when you're ready. You'll get to review your answers. Check over your first name, last name, contact information, and the answers to your questions. When you're ready, you can click Continue. From the next screen, you can choose to add another exhibitor if you have other members in your family who will be showing at the fair. Follow the steps to add all the members into your family. Then, the next step is to add entries for each member. When you click on Create an Entry, you'll first choose your department. Let's choose Family and Consumer Sciences. And perhaps it was clothing we'd like to enter. And hit Choose. Now we can choose our class and our club. It may say Open in this box, and it will be put into an open class, but be sure to hit Change and click on 4-H. And you'll see a list of clubs alphabetically. You can scroll down until you find your club, choose your club, and then scroll to the very bottom of this long list where you'll see OK. So now that we've added our club in here, the software will remember that selection. Then choose the class that your clothing belongs into. Let's choose Costumes. You can also mark how many costume entries you'll have and continue. Verify your information, Family and Consumer Science, clothing, your club name, and costumes. Create entries. From here, you can add another entry. We've already done a goat costume off camera, and now we have an adult clothing costume. Let's add our goats in. The animal entries look a little different. We had a goat, so we'll click here to choose Animal Sciences Goats. Now, first we'll register for our showmanship. And our class here will be Class 14 Junior Showmanship. I'll select that. And I do have to pick my club name again, but I don't have to scroll here at the bottom. I can hit select this club. And there's our entry. Goat Showmanship, Animal Sciences, Junior Showmanship. Let's add another entry. Now, don't click too quickly. If I hit choose here, it's going to add another Goat Showmanship. I can change my department or section from this screen. I still want to be in Animal Sciences Goat, but I'm going to change, and I'm going to choose my actual goat that I'll be showing. And here I will choose which class I'd like to be in. Let's say we have a 3 to 5-year-old Alpine. Verify your categories and hit continue. Choose your club. And now we need to add our animal. We're going to enter a new animal record at this point. If your animal has been entered and you're going to put them in a different class, you can choose an existing animal record. Our animal type is a goat. And our animal name is very clever, Demo Goat. And our tag number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add your birthday, just like when you put yours in. Let's say our goat was born June 14th, so 2 digits for the month and 2 for the day. And they were born in 2021. Whoops, 2021, 4 digits for the year. You will need to enter the breed, which is Alpine. And let's pretend we own it. Oops, there's my typo. Sorry about that. Alpine. And we'll create and add that animal. Press continue. And you'll continue adding your entries in that method until all of your entries are added. Don't worry if you miss one. I'll show you how to add in a skipped entry later on. For now, we'll assume that's all of our entries and we'll continue to our payment. Notice there is no payment due as shown here in the top corner and here on our invoice. You can look at the detail to see what entries are registered in this batch. So here you can see I have an Animal Sciences goat costume. I have the Family and Consumer Sciences clothing costume, a Junior Showmanship for my goat, and my 3 to 5-year-old Alpine. All with a 0 balance. Hit continue. And it's saying payment's not necessary, but we still need to continue through. Our last step is to basically accept these terms, which say our records are going to be locked and we can't edit them at this point. But don't worry, if you've made a mistake and need to edit, you can reach out to our CCE staff here at the office and we'll give you a hand. Go ahead and hit submit. And that's it. Our entries have been added. Email confirmations are going to be sent to your email address. And if there's any problems, we'll email you. At this point, you can sign out of your session or visit your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can see your entries. We have one exhibitor, which is our one family member. And I've made 2 invoices, which are both listed here in the center, for a total of 7 entries in this fair. If you want to add more entries, say you forgot that you wanted to enter cookies or something, you can begin new invoice and follow these steps through as many times as you need to. And all of your invoices and entries will be listed here in the center of your dashboard. It's a new process, so this can be confusing. We hope you found the video and printed materials helpful, but if you get stuck at any point along the way, please call our office where our staff will be happy to help you out. Good luck, and we'll see you at the fair.